Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your work and love forecast for the next 3 months for Sagittarius. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Sagittarius, this reading is for you. And friends, make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot. Click the bell icon so you never miss a reading, friends. Because if you don't subscribe and click the bell icon, you will not see what you want to see. That's how YouTube is, sadly. So please support us, subscribe, like, and share. And also, friends, make sure to like this video because it helps. I'm sorry to say these things because YouTube, the current times are a bit hard for all of us, friends, and it affects us. Even the policies keep changing, so you must like and support us because otherwise all the bad content will be shown to you. Nothing worthwhile is shown. And thank you so much for supporting, loving us, and all your loving blessings that you send my way. I love you all so much. And friends, make sure also to watch your March horoscope readings, March pick a card readings. I have done it in English and Hindi, both chance readings. You can watch that out. And I will be doing more horoscope readings and other readings and soul mission readings. So check that out. So let's see. If you want to buy a personal reading, friends, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com, and also if you want to join our Instagram, it's Magic Vents Tarot. So let's see, Sagittarius, what is your current energy, Sagittarius? Oh, Page of Swords, Five of Pentacles. I feel currently you are feeling like life is a struggle, Sagittarius. You are not feeling happy. Maybe you are facing financial issues. I also feel you are feeling like emotionally things are not going so well, Sagittarius. Oh, you feel like the change is this change of these. You feel like there is a wind coming that's taking everything away from you, but you don't feel like something positive is coming. You feel a bit lost. You feel a bit deprived. Page of Cups, yeah. And also, it is like you don't know, Sagittarius, whether to listen to your heart or your mind. Something is causing you that confusion. Whether if you follow your heart, you feel like you are not doing justice to your rational or logical mind. If you choose or listen to your logical side, your heart gets hurt. So, either way, one person is getting hurt. Also, there are choices, there are decisions. Also, your defenses, I feel, are high, Sagittarius. You could be dealing with Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, and Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. You are dealing with them. Let's see what else. Nine of Cups. Yeah, focus on the happiness, friends. I do feel some relief is coming your way. Right now, you're focused too much on workload is too much, money is less, changes are happening. Like you feel the times are changing. You feel like, things are not going well. Also, you feel an emotional storm is coming, but your defenses are also high. There are mixed emotions. You are going through mixed emotions and mixed feelings, Sagittarius. But congratulations, relief is coming. Nine of Cups. Celebrations are coming. Maybe you are dealing with someone whose birthday is coming, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. So some celebration, some relief, some happiness, some money, some support is coming your way. So don't lose hope. Stay happy, happy. Sagittarius, Sagittarius. Oh, new love is coming. Look at that. A new start is coming for you, Sagittarius. Ace of Cups, pure love, beautiful love is coming your way. I do feel something will happen that will fill your heart with joy, with happiness, with love. And whether it is in money, like a wish coming true regarding your money, regarding your career, or your love life. So, yeah, maybe some of you are expecting a childbirth or something like that, and it is quite sudden. Maybe like you were not expecting, but it happens out of the blue, and you feel like, oh my god, we wanted that, Sagittarius, right? Nice. So, let's see, Sagittarius, what's happening with your partner? Sagittarius, what's happening with your partner? Trust. Wow. I accept that my inner voice will always guide me correctly. Wow, look at this card. It even looks like an eye. Right? This thing looks like an eye. Yeah, I think your partner is somebody. If you now, this person can be anybody, somebody from your past, ex-husband, lover, husband, wife, twin flame, soulmate, karmic person, or it could be a new person that's coming your way. I feel your person is learning to trust themselves. They are learning to trust the process, trust you, trust this relationship, trust the universe, and also they are learning to open themselves to love. Their defenses are getting less. You know, this sword, they were fighting and fighting with you. I accept that my inner voice will always guide me correctly. Also, if this is a new person, this is a trustworthy person. Maybe you are asking for a person whether you can trust them or not. Yes, they are trustworthy, more or less. Courage, yeah, this person is your person is going through an awakening. They are trusting the process and they are becoming more confident also. I find the inner strength to face fear with confidence. So definitely a person, if they are a new person, they are courageous, they are bold, they are trustworthy. And if this is a past person, they are definitely learning to become bold and make a proposal to you again. I think they are learning to gain some confidence. Nice. Let's see what will happen in the next 3 months for Sagittarius. Ooh, Queen of Pentacles. So you could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. I feel like, your person's emotions are maturing, their stability or material wealth will grow, and even you both are growing, you Sagittarius and your person, and it is a good thing, and that will lead to expansion in this connection. I also feel you could meet somebody new through your work. In the next 3 months, in your career, you may meet someone new through your work, your boss, or somebody. I also feel this could be a long distance relationship for some of you, but things will get better. Yeah, I feel like this person, Sagittarius, you are dealing with, they have anxiety, depression, or they don't sleep well at night. Also, they are having a lot of worries at the moment, but they are trusting or trying to resolve them. And I think in the next 3 months, they will be able to resolve their issues. And yeah, they are fighting. This person could be your twin flame. I feel they will be able to resolve this issue that is going on, this health issue or this confidence issues, and a new start will happen for you. Queen of Cups, yeah, maturity is coming in your person. You both are going to open up. If this is a new person, I feel, friends, yes, it will take some time for this connection to develop, but it will eventually, this person will actually win you. You may not say directly yes to them, but you will warm up to them. You see this Ace of Cups, it's beautiful. Oh, Wheel of Fortune. Yes, positive changes are coming. Big, huge changes. It is a growth for you, a growth for them, an opening of your heart, an opening of their heart, a new start, or a renewed start for most of you is coming in the next 3 months. Stay patient. Don't give up on hope. Right now, there are a lot of trust issues in this connection. Maybe your person is not talking, or maybe this is a very new connection. So you both are a little scared, but give it some time. It will work out. Be patient. Ace of Wands, yeah, a lot of passion. So you have two aces. Wow, beautiful. Look at that. So, friends, you're definitely going to have not just a passionate but an emotionally fulfilling time in the next 3 months, whether with a new person or a past lover. So, don't worry, things are going to get better, and your person is trying to fix themselves. What will happen for Sagittarius? Peace. I see pregnancy happening for some of you also, like family expansion, pregnancy, a chance of getting married, or finding a love that is very passionate, it's a very peaceful. Also, an apology coming your way, Sagittarius. So get ready. Happiness is coming. Thinker, number 44. Someone is obsessed with you. They can't let you go. They won't let you go. Why would they? They are obsessed with you as much as you are obsessed with them. A Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Yang, number 1. Sagittarius, wow. You are moving towards a lot of passion. A lot of people are attracted towards you. So you will have some choices also, which one to choose. But, things will develop very quickly, whoever you choose. Things will be very, very quickly developing. So let's take some advice for our beautiful Sagittarius. Transformation, big changes are coming for you, friends. A new start is coming for you in all areas of your life, be it work, be it career. A wish come true. I do see some of you starting a new job, or starting a new business, or starting a new college. It will make you feel very excited. Opportunities that you need are coming. Yes, next 3 months will be good for you. There will be change, but it will be a good change. Abundance, money, 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 money. Money is coming for you, friends. A lot of money is coming for you. Whew. Let's see some advice for Sagittarius. Let's see. Advice for Sagittarius. Okay. Morning affirmations. Say positive affirmations each morning to open the gates of manifestation. So yeah, this is a time, stay focused. See, you are very, very close to achieving this, reaching the dawn, the breaking dawn. So stay focused. Say positive affirmations to open the gates of manifestations. Accept heaven's help. You have prayed for help, so get out of the way and let heaven help you. Wow, this is beautiful. So whatever you need is coming for you, friends. Just trust. Just make sure to reach out and say yes to it. Be it a job, a career, a renewal with this person, or a new love. Lovey-dovey. Yeah, you're going to meet this. This could be the one. You have already met the romantic partner you seek. Wow, you're going to meet the right person, friends. Or if you are talking about marriage, yes, this is the person. You are going to marry them. You deserve love. You are lovable. God is guiding you, Sagittarius, in the right way towards love. And I do feel someone might propose you, or they will again win you back. Or like if you are married, you may have a child, or some passion coming back in that marriage. So, woohoo! Make sure to subscribe Magic Vibes Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.